Hi kids! Let's learn how to write alphabets with dots. Draw one slanting line down. Draw another one slanting line down. Then add a horizontal line across the middle. In this way you can write A. Draw one straight vertical line. Make a small curve at the top. Then a larger curve at the bottom. So you can write B easily. Draw one big curve from the top around to the bottom, without closing it. In this way you can write C. Draw one straight vertical line. Then make one large curve from the top to the bottom. So you can write D easily. Draw one vertical line. Add a top horizontal line, a bottom horizontal line, a shorter middle line. So you can write E easily. Draw one vertical line. Add a top horizontal line. Then a shorter middle line. In this way you can write F easily. Draw a large C shape. Draw a small line down. So you can write G easily. Draw one vertical line. Draw another vertical line. Then connect them with a horizontal line in the middle. So you can easily write H. Draw a horizontal line at the top. Draw another horizontal line. Draw one vertical line from top to bottom. In this way you can write I. Draw a horizontal line. Draw one vertical line down. Then curve it to the left at the bottom. So you can write J easily. Draw one vertical line. Then draw a slanting line to the middle. Draw another line from middle to the right. In this way you can write K. Draw one vertical line. Draw a horizontal line at the bottom. So you can write L easily. Draw one vertical line. Draw another vertical line. Slant down a line to the middle. Then draw another vertical line down. So you can easily write M. Draw one vertical line. Draw another vertical line. Slant down a line to the opposite corner. In this way you can write N. Draw one large round circle. In this way you can write O easily. Draw one vertical line. Then make one curve at the top. This is the easiest way to write P. Draw one large circle. Then add a short slanting line at the bottom right. So you can easily write Q. Draw one vertical line. Make a curve at the top. Then draw a slanting line down from the middle. In this way you can write R easily. Draw one curve at the top. Then another curve in the opposite direction at the bottom. This is easiest way to write S. Draw one horizontal line across the top. Then one vertical line down from the center. So you can write T easily. Draw one vertical line down. Draw another vertical line down. Then curve across the bottom. So you can write U easily. Draw one slanting line down. Then another slanting line down. In this way you can write V easily. Draw a slanting line down. Draw another slanting line to the left. Then make one more slanting line to the right. Last, draw one slanting line down. So you can easily write W. Draw one slanting line to the left. Draw another slanting line to the right crossing it. This is the easiest way to write X. Draw one slanting line to the left. Draw a short slanting line to the right. Okay, and this way you can write Y. Draw one horizontal line at the top. Draw one slanting line to the left. Then draw one horizontal line at the bottom. So in this way you can write Z easily. So kids, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.